Welcome to this week's episode of Top Secret Garage, where the cars are cool and kindness is free. Today, my best buddy, Steve, is stopping by with his Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. I can't wait to do the lowering springs on this car. It's gonna be so awesome. He just picked this bad boy up. Oh my goodness. Look at this beautiful car.
What up, homie?
Oh, my man, what's up?
What's the deal, baby boy?
The deal is I need to go for a ride in this thing. Let's go. Lamborghini Huracan Tecnica. I think this is a 2024. Look at all that beautiful carbon. Boba Fett in the house. Oh, dude, he matches the cones. He matches the bollards. Let's do this.
I don't know how everything works yet.
Bro.
I figure out how to unlock the doors and roll down the windows.
Look at this interior, bro. These seats, what? Fair warning, I'm a bad passenger, you know this. Oh, I like the black buttons. The Performante has the chrome. Of course, that's the only way to roll, bro.
Now, a lot of people are unhappy with Lamborghini because they made this car in a way that she's not loud until you get to about 4,000, 5,000 RPM. There's a little growl there.
Oh, now I feel like I'm in a Performante. Oh my God. What if we take these springs off? We go to do your suspension, we don't finish today. How you getting home?
Maybe Uber, I don't know.
Dude, there's a lot of cars in the garage. I think we can find one to shake loose for you.
Yeah.
For you, bro?
Yeah.
We got you. This your wallet holder? This for the phone?
Yeah, I don't know what that's for.
We'll figure it out. Oh my God. Oh. And I'll do that all day when I'm driving, but it scares me when I'm a passenger.
Yeah.
What is this, a Storado?
It might as well.
Look at that fender gap. This is with the car lowered. The factory lift is down. Look at that rear and look at this front. My goodness. I could stick my whole fist in here. All right, my boy, give it a lift. Dude, you could do monster truck things with this. What? We're gonna do this the right way. We're gonna measure and we're gonna go to the top of the wheel. So we're at about 5 inches with the lift up. Let's bring it back down. I said, let's bring it back down. All right, I mean, that's a solid 4 inches right there. And the back is still 5. As expected, doesn't change. Look at these Novatech springs. Absolutely gorgeous. Dude, these are a work of art. Unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to see them when they're on the car, but we'll take some cool pictures with them before we button everything back up. But yeah, let's start doing this. All right, we got the wheel off. Look at these beautiful orange calipers. I got the matching green gloves, but we're gonna take this strut assembly out after we remove the fender liner. We gotta get a couple of things out of the way, but we're gonna keep moving on this crazy project. So the fender liners come off. You can see that beautiful strut right there. We've got all of our components that we're gonna be getting to, but you never know what you're gonna find inside these cars. Look at this. Half and half lemonade iced tea wrapper. I really have no idea how that got in there. SR71 Blackbird, that's top secret. What is this? Oh, a Lamborghini Huracan Performante. Make sure you subscribe and stick around to the end of this video so that you can possibly win this on that Wheel of Fun over there. Nice, beautiful pink Huracan Performante. Well, we got the backside off, and look at how cool this is in here. Look at the exhaust right there. Steve, man, this thing's ripe for an exhaust. Look at all these rocks. I love when this happens. Man, look at that. Look at all this beautiful heat shielding. Also, look at this nice Audi. 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 All right, so we just got to take this top bolt out, slide that back, tip this right out, and one spring ready to go.
The master mechanic.
Well, we've been having lots of fun with the Huracan. It's definitely not going to be done today. Steve, what do you think we spin the Wheel of Fun?
Wheel of Fun?
Yeah.
What's that?
You know what that is. Look at this. The Wheel of Fun. We'll figure out which car you're going to take home.
Oh man, I'm nervous.
We got Huracan Performante, Nissan GTR, Nissan Z, Dodge Viper, Z06, 392 Wrangler, Aston, 991.2 GT3 RS, 992 GT3 RS. I know that's one Steve wants to go for a ride in. Aventador SV Roadster. All right, give it the old 1-2. I hope you spin something good, Steve.
I hope so too.
Let's see what you're going home with. You got to go home with something. Oh! 992! He's going home with the 992. Oh! Steve, you get to take home the Dyson. We call it the Dyson, bro. It's not very loud. Great to see you. Always a pleasure. We'll be back at it on Friday. The car will be all done. It's a Dyson. It's a Dyson. White and red is a good color on you, my friend.
I wear it well.
And the car swap is officially done. We got the Verde Scandal cones. We got the Verde Scandal Huracan. It's 5 days later and Steve's back to pick up his car, but Steve hasn't heard the valves yet.
I have not heard the valves yet.
When you start it, we're gonna hear it this time, unlike last time when you started and I asked you if it was on.
Right.
Does that start now? 3 and
7/8?
3 and 7/8. That's a beautiful thing. How's the other side? Oh, it is 4. All right. Well, it's off by an 8. It's got to settle. Yo, Steve.
What up?
I got you something, bro.
Oh!
It might match a little bit. There's only one problem with it. This isn't your car. Look at that giant wing. Look at this little tiny wing you have
I got
here.
a little wing, man.
You got a little car, big wing. A big car, little wing.
But now we're gonna have big car, big wing, like Big Boba in his house.
All right, we got to do this. That's what's in the box.
Coming off, y'all.
We're gonna have to unbox this thing and make this thing have a real wing on it. All right, look at this. This is pretty well packaged, my friend. It feels heavy.
Well, you know what? I'm not racing, so.
Yeah, right. You're not racing? Look at this, man. This is a wing.
Carbon too.
That's a wing right there. That's a wing. All right, we got both of these wings lined up next to each other, and you can see how much monstrously big this thing is. You got an extra foot here, Steve. This is nice. Yeah. So now we got to transfer all this stuff onto this wing because this rear light here does actually go on the wing. And so all this stuff and all this bracketry has to get transferred over to here. And then we'll be ready to put that wing right back on this beautiful car. Steve, how's this thing looking?
Big.
That's a wing, bro. Look at this.
Wing.
Look at this monstrous wing. I love this. Dude, that looks crazy. Dude, this thing looks like a spaceship. Look at this UFO spaceship coming out of here. It came in with a little wang, now it's got a big wang. I loved doing this project. It was so much fun. Had a blast. My man Dave, Kellen, Nick, Jake, Steve. Beautiful color. This beautiful color in the sun. This thing is unbelievable. Check out that wing. Yo, it's hot. And now it's time for our favorite, the Wheel of Fun. We got some crazy Hot Wheels cars to match that insane Verde Scandal Huracan. We got the Sesto Elemento, we got a regular Lamborghini Huracan, the McLaren F1, the W1, and the Dodge Viper GTS. Let's give this wheel a spin and see who's gonna win. Cars Are Life 123. Reach out to me at topsecretgarage319@gmail.com or hit me up on Instagram DM. If you enjoyed this video, it made you smile, share it with someone you love, and I'll see you in the next one.